Good morning and welcome back to yoga. My name is Shannon and I'm so glad that you're here. Always remember to do what you can to listen to your body and not to force your body into something it doesn't want to do. Thank you for making time for another sunrise yoga session with me, and thank you for taking this time for yourself. I hope that you enjoy it. So this morning we're just going to start interlacing the fingers, rolling the wrists around a little bit, waking up the wrists and fingers and hands, and then start to reverse and roll your wrists and fingers and hands the other way. Then bring your fingertips to your shoulders and circle your elbows back and up and forward and down, taking deep breaths in as you move back and up and emptying your lungs as you move forward and down. If it's nice, you can lift the chin and look up as you breathe in. And reverse, go the other way. If it hurts your neck or back to look up, then don't do that. Start to pull your elbows down your back, gently pull them in behind you. Start to tuck your tailbone under and draw in the lower belly. Lengthen up through your head, lift through your heart, breathe in, breathe out. Take one more deep breath here, kind of tuning in, micro mini adjustments to where your body needs the most opening, and then release all the way out and down. Let the shoulders roll a little bit, breathe, and then roll the other way. Excellent. So if you can, we're going to do some movements from star to goddess. Star to goddess. So star is with everything out, arms and legs wide, like the middle of a jumping jack. And then goddess is with our knees and elbows bent. So we're going to do that a few times. Then we're going to add in some triangles, maybe even a half moon balance if that's safe. You could always put a block under that bottom hand if you need support for your half moon. So do what you can. Breathe your way through. Step, hop, or jump into the center of your mat. And open up wide. Breathe in and out. Let yourself settle. And then begin to turn, heels in, toes out. And as you're ready, start going through your goddess and star motions. Breathe in, straighten, lengthen. Breathe out, let the knees pull back towards your pinky toes as you sit, where it's safe to sit. Try and keep the elbows up shoulder high. Check in with knees, hips, back, shoulders, neck, throat, jaw, face. Rotate to the right. Left toes turn, right hand down, left hand up. Find your triangle and breathe. And if it's safe, add a half moon. Bend the right knee, drop your left toes, push with that right hand, and then find your side angle. Reach down through the back side of the left foot, pinky toe to heel, and all the way up through the left middle finger as you roll the left shoulder back on top of the right. Try not to put any pressure in that right elbow and knee. We're on the forearm and thigh. Take it all the way back up, pulling through your left hand, pushing through the right arm. Toes out, heels in, find your star. And then goddess. Inhale, star. Exhale, goddess. One more time, breathe in. Breathe out. Go to the other side. Find star and rotate everything to the left. Right toes turn to the left. Left toes turn to the left. So both feet are pointing to your left. Inhale, reach feet to head. Exhale, reach through your left fingertips into your triangle. And breathe. Perhaps play with head positioning to see where you get the best opening this morning. And then if half moon feels safe, take it up. And maybe into that side angle. And you could go right from triangle into side angle. You don't have to do half moon. Want to just sink the hips here if we can and keep weight off the elbow and knee. Move it up a little bit so you're in between the elbow and knee and in between the hip and knee and in between the elbow and wrist. Breathe into that right shoulder. Try not to sink into the left. And then push through your feet, reach through your fingertips all the way up. Toes in this time, so just left toes turn in. Reach behind your back, pull through the knuckles, lengthen through your head, deep breath in, exhale, fold forward and down. As you're ready, find your way up and out, pushing through your feet, reaching through your head, pulling through your knuckles. Release. And you can heel toe step or hop back into the center of your mat. Take a deep breath in, and if it's safe, we're going to come into a squat. Lifting your heels, bending your knees, finding your own way down if this doesn't work for you. Inhale, lengthen hips to head. If you're able, twist. Right elbow outside your left thigh. And then push through the balls of your feet as you inhale through center and exhale, twist the other way. Come back into center, and if you can, sink your bottom to the mat, float your feet up into boat, Navasana. Breathe. You can always bend knees here. Hold on behind your thighs. Support yourself from behind or put one foot down. One more slow, deep breath, lifting your chest, lifting your head, and either float your feet down or bring the heels down and slide out. Inhale, lift up if it's safe. Keep your hands on the mat if it's not, and find your way into full forward fold. 5 slow, deep breaths. Gently, slowly walk yourself back up. And then before you go about the rest of your day, find a few minutes for Shavasana or just to sit and watch the sunrise. Enjoy, and I hope to see you again soon.